Hi friends, this is Katie from the Parish Group here with another edition of the Slate 101 series. Today, we are going to learn about how to modify the standard form submit button. So let's get started with a look at the standard button. In my instance, you can see that our branding file has already applied some stylization to this button, so it is in our colors and changes on hover. This is a look at a button that I've modified specifically for this form. It's a little bit bigger and it has some different coloring choices. It also has customized text instead of just saying submit. This is all managed through the back end of the form by going to Edit Form and then Edit Scripts Styles. There is a really great knowledge base article called Form Specific CSS to get you started, and I'm also going to show you exactly what I did here. I have 2 lines of JavaScript that are renaming the button and redirecting it. These can be easily copied and pasted and modified to your needs. You would just want to change the URL and the text that I have set to tell me more, while leaving the single quotation marks intact. If you'd like to change the stylization, that's going to involve CSS, but it's really pretty similar to the code that you would use while someplace else in Slate, like Deliver. Here, I'm setting my colors to our branding, adding for border, and, for fun, I made the button a little bit bigger. Using these small bits of code around your instance allows for extra personalization, flair, and fun ways to set your forms apart. The Parish Group is a Slate Platinum partner, and we'd love to help you implement, audit, or optimize your instance. Reach out at success@parishgroup.com or call us at 828-505-3000.